Animal intelligence. Presentation script. Slide 1. Hello, good morning. I hope you are doing well. My name is Freddie Oswaldo Cruz. I'm glad to be here this beautiful morning. I'm a student from English Conversation 2, whose tutor is Licta, Ana Liliana Rocha Chicas. Today I'll be talking about animal intelligence. First, before starting with my speech. Slide 2. Let me share with you this quote. It says, "Enjoy your life, because life is too short." Well, slide 3. I'll begin with a short introduction to the topic. Have you ever seen an animal helping another, and what is more, from other species? Alternatively, have you wondered why your dog follows most of your orders? Where do these actions come from? Is it animal intelligence, instinct, reasoning, or animal perception? I will be discussing and explaining these terms with examples and the answer to the prior questions. I will also give my personal point of view on the subjects mentioned before. Slide 4. The first term that I would like to talk about is intelligence. What is animal intelligence? We can define animal intelligence as the combination of skills and abilities that allow animals to live in and adapt to their specific environments. What does this actually mean? Animals possess the ability to adapt to their environments. One of many animals that show intelligence is octopuses. Slide 5. Octopuses, which are smart animals, are invertebrates. Octopuses are capable of performing difficult tasks, and for instance, they can figure out how to open a container to grab its contents. Not only that, they possess a great short and long memory, but also an astonishing skill to learn new things from the moment they grow up. Case in point, the mimic octopus can imitate other animals, so as to defend itself from carnivore beasts. Slide 6. Dolphins. Another animal that is very smart is dolphins. Dolphins that have socialized from the moment they are born are hugely affable animals, with a tremendously expanded capability to fit into their habitat. They spontaneously try to cure themselves when hunters hurt them, or when they are sick. Due to their unique recognizable sounds, they are in a position to transfer their wisdom to the herd. As a matter of fact, the list of high-level cognitive abilities such as differentiation, behavioral control, including identification goes on and on. Slide 7. Chimpanzees. They are by far humans' nearest relatives. Chimps are friendly creatures and guide big groups called a herd. They are good at manipulating branches, stones, rocks, wood, etc. They do it by rote. In fact, they end up utilizing atypical sorts of materials to implement problematic issues, for example, stones to open nuts and little sticks to pull out ants. Mixed with a strong mind, these skills present the apes as the smarter beast around the globe. Slide 8. Elephants. What's more intriguing of all terrestrial creatures is that elephants are the owners of the biggest brain. Elephants are well known for their amiability and are able to communicate vast types of feelings, including sympathy and cheerfulness, plus ache and agony. They show various ways of self-awareness and altruism. It turns out that elephants have a better memory than humankind does. A wild elephant honestly by no means forgets. Slide 9. Parrots. They own a spectacular talent to distinguish individual people's semblance and possess a big tendency for speaking. This may be irrelevant, but the action of imitating people's words is something remarkable. Apart from that, these birds have fascinating brains, which makes it easy for them to fix unexpected situations. Scientific research displays that a lot of animals are quite smart and own motor and sensory abilities that overshadow ours. Dogs, for instance, can find some ailments like diabetes, cancer, and alert people of impending cardiac infarction and brain attack. Giraffes, elephants, hippos, alligators, and whales make use of low-frequency noises to transmit messages quickly over great distances, even miles. Frogs, bats, whales, and dolphins, and much more. Rats use high-frequency noises to search for food, chat with other animals, and sail. Slide 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, I would say that most animals have intelligence since all of them use special abilities to adapt to their environment. Elephants, alligators, crows, cows, have one thing in common: they all use different strategies to get what they want. Food, for instance. They do what is necessary to get it. I consider that is enough to prove that animals are intelligent and somehow is what makes them special besides ourselves.